Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Daily time frame is a red candle forming inverted pin bar. So first sign ng selling pressure. Silipin natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. Kung makikita natin sa 4 hours time frame, meron tayong rejection around 47k. Bakit? Meron tayong mga weak na umaakyat and then bumabagsak lang rin and nagko-close below 47k, so meaning meron tayong supply area dito. So what we expect is still the same. Kung magkakaroon ba tayo ng breakout above this horizontal resistance and breaking this previous high to create another higher high to continue yung uptrend momentum, or breaking this demand area or trend line support natin to invalidate yung uptrend. But currently, still naglalaro sa ranging